today's video is a little bit different. I got a small unboxing for you, and I can't wait to share the treasures we found while we were out antiquing. I'm gonna let you guys listen to some music while I unwrap and display the items, and then talk a little bit about them when I give you guys a close-up and like a back shot of them too. You guys, it's got some good stuff. Most of this will be going up on Whatnot in the next week, probably Wednesday, and I haven't decided if I'm keeping anything for myself. So you guys, let me know below what you would have kept, what was your favorite item, and I'll see you after the video.
So let's take a little bit closer look at these. We are going to go around. Obviously, I picked up all the butter pats we could find that were reasonably priced and grabbed those. That Flow Blue I may end up keeping because I have another stack of those. I love it. And then we're going to flip these over. That one right there is stamped 1898 on the back, which amazing. amazing. So here we go. This one's got the really cool Johnson Bros stamp on it and matches that other one. This is a restaurant ware stoneware. I don't remember what these ones say without having them on me, but you guys, these are all really good, beautiful. There's crazing on some, but they're all in wonderful condition. I am a stickler for these. The little set of the blue transferware back there is actually for my hubby. Um, he is really into the blue and red transferwares right now. This one is a really good one here. That one, the crazing on that blue one is beautiful. I believe this is a Meakin. Got some good ones, guys. So watch for our whatnot on Wednesday to grab some of these for yourself.
Which item was your favorite? Um, I love butter pats, y'all. I've got them all over up in here, so I don't know if I can really pick a favorite. They're all so good. And you all know inkwells are just so much stinking fun. I love them. They make perfect little vases. They're gonna be good. You guys watch for these on Whatnot for my Wednesday auction, and make sure you guys comment below. Thanks for watching as usual, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.